Hi, yes, my name's Michael Beecher. I had the final part of the implant today with the tooth going in, and so that is all now complete, and I'm very happy to have a tooth after a long with a gap. My teeth were beginning to close in because the gap had been there quite a long time, so cosmetic reasons that I had it done. I guess I'm always a bit nervous about going to the dentist because I grew up at a time when they didn't give you anaesthetics for your teeth, so that hung over to having this done, so I was worried about the pain, even though I've had other treatments with Dr Shabeeb and there has been no problems. And talking through with Dr Shabeeb, that was the main reason really, was I trusted his professionalism. My experience was actually very good, even though, as I said, I was a little bit nervous about having such a major thing done, especially as it's quite a big investment. However, Dr Shabeeb was always very assuring and explained every step of the process, and also kept checking with me that I was okay, so I felt pretty confident that I was in good hands. They definitely made me feel more confident. As I said, he explained what he was doing at all times, and so I knew what was going on, which is, I think, very helpful, particularly with an implant. It's a procedure I've not had before, so there were noises in the mouth and things going on that I hadn't experienced, so it was nice that he was checking with me to explain what he was doing at all times. I think overall it was easier. Certainly from the pain point of view, there was no pain at all, so I was definitely happy with that. Even though I'd not had pain previously from other dental treatment, I hadn't had it as major as this, so I was a little nervous going in, but there was no pain. The process is quite involved. My recovery was absolutely fine. The implant went very smoothly. After a few days, I subconsciously forgot that I had the temporary plate in there and chewed on that side, which slightly irritated it, but that was completely my fault, and due to the fact that I didn't have any pain to remind me not to do that. It feels very weird to have a tooth in there when I haven't had one for such a long time, but I'm very pleased to have it there, so I'm definitely happy about it, and it feels great. I'm very happy to have had the implant. As I said, it's a major investment, so and I hadn't had one before, so I guess I wasn't clear entirely in my mind about what it involved and how it would work out, but I'm happy with how it went. First of all, listen to the advice and be sure that the person doing it is competent, which I can say was definitely the case with Dr Shabeeb. I'm not sure that I'd want to get it done by anybody who wasn't completely professional, so I think that's the first thing, is to be sure you're having it done by a good professional dentist. I would recommend this. These decisions aren't made lightly. Mine certainly wasn't, and I'm happy with the outcome. Satisfied. So not only was I reassured by Dr Shabeeb, but also the Pristine Dental Surgery is very modern and very well equipped with the latest equipment, which all added to my satisfaction that I was in good hands.